Alright, so here's the new heater I bought for my room. It's a Warmwave portable fan heater, and Warmwave is Home Depot's house brand for electric heaters. So, I will move the box out of the way. Here's the actual heater itself. It's got a 3-blade aluminum fan inside with the wire coil heating elements. It's got a manual thermostat and manual controls with a pilot light. And we'll start with high heat and turn the thermostat up. The pilot light comes on. Move it down to low heat. And move it down to fan only. For a heater fan, it does blow really good air. And turn the thermostat down, the pilot light will still remain on, letting you know that the heater is still on and could power on at any time. And for a fan heater, this has pretty good bearings. And off. The pilot light extinguishes, letting you know that it is safe to move the heater or whatever, because it is not going to turn on any longer. Here's the back. There's the heating elements. It's just a regular coil. And then on the bottom, it is model HFQ15A, made in China, June 2015. No tip rubber switch, which I like. And thanks for watching.